Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, a grittier, more mathier version of Bob Ross, Valvo. Now, 2 videos ago, we talked about how to solve really basic equations. And last video, we talked about how to solve some more intermediate equations. And today, we're finally working with some multi-step equations. So let's go forward, fearless into this multi-step world, and remember, we don't make mistakes if you check your work. Let's do it! Last video, we discussed that the main idea behind solving equations is to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. That's because when we do that, our equation will have the form x equals our answer. Now, in the case of the simple equations we dealt with last time, our process for isolating the variable was simply to identify what was happening to the variable, and then apply whatever inverse operation we needed to undo what was happening to it. And that works fine and dandy